Question: what was the first animated Christmas special? Was it The Grinch, Charlie Brown Christmas, Rudolph, Frosty? Nope. The first animated Christmas special came several years before any of those. Mr. Magoo's Christmas Carol, which made television history as the very first animated Christmas special to be produced expressly for television, airing on NBC in December of 1962. Mr. Magoo's Christmas Carol starred the myopic bumbler Mr. Magoo as Scrooge in this Broadway-style musical version of Charles Dickens' tale for the small screen, the first ever of its kind, with Broadway-caliber songs written by legends Bob Merrill and Jules Stein. How good was it? Well, none other than Walt Disney himself watched and telephoned the producer moments after it ended, gushing, "Let me tell you something, Lee. Not only is this generation going to watch it, but your children, your children's children, and your children's children's children will watch this show. That's how good it is. I couldn't wait to call you and tell you." Few people realize how incredibly influential Magoo's Christmas Carol was, as it showed that an animated special could be commercially and critically successful and unquestionably paved the way for Rudolph, Charlie Brown, and the Grinch. While the last NBC airing of Mr. Magoo's Christmas Carol was in 1967, it has been shown on other networks since. On its 60th anniversary, it really does deserve to be part of everyone's Christmas memories. Catch it on Peacock, Apple TV, and Prime Video. Follow me here and go to my YouTube channel, Level Up Cartooning, for hundreds of drawing lessons and more.